I'm Shan,
and we're back for another video. Today we'll be making our favorite dessert, and it's called
Crown Chocolate Cake.
It's called Crown Chocolate Cake because we made it during quarantine, and to make this bitter experience sweet.
Yes.
For the ingredients, you will need 2 packs of chocolate cake bars,
4 boxes of all-purpose cream,
1 big can of condensed milk,
chocolate chips for the toppings. Before we start, wash your hands.
So let's get started. First, you need to cut the chocolate bar into 2. You should cut it right here in the side. See? Pour in the 4 boxes of all-purpose cream.
And add the condensed milk. And mix it.
Add more condensed milk if needed. Now it's time to assemble the cake. Pour in a decent amount of your cream into your pan.
Then put the first layer of cake.
It should be no space here. Continue by following the same steps for the second and third layer.
For the toppings, crush the chocolate chips.
sprinkle the chocolate chips on top of the cake. To finish it up, refrigerate overnight. Wait. Sorry guys. So I hope you liked that video. We will be posting a different video with our big sister. And she will be tasting our finished product and we will see her reaction.
Yes. Subscribe, like, and share.
Bye guys! Peace out!
So you will need 4 boxes of all-purpose cream and 1 big can of condensed milk.